Now we're going to work a little bit with the media library and adding images to a poster page. Now, when you add an image to WordPress, it adds it to your media library, and from there you can access that same image again to, if you want to put it to on another page or post. But the first time, let me just show you how that works. Let's say that my client wants to add a composite graphic of her portfolio page, of her portfolio here, right after this here. Let's put this in heading level 2. And then let's position your cursor right there and click on Add Media on the top here. And if you have, you can actually drag the image from your desktop or file manager directly into this box, or you can just select it here. So this is the graphic here. It's called the portfolio graphic. Just click on it. It's going to upload it to your site. It's going to assign a default title, which I urge you to change because that's going to affect your SEO, and also it's going to affect the hover over text that appears on the image. And the thing that's very important to know is that, first of all, you see here it creates 3 different sizes of your image when you put it in. This is so that for convenience in putting, if you want to add the image back in different areas of your site. And it resizes the image. So in this case, you're going to choose what size image you want to show. I want to show the full image, which is 680 pixels horizontal times 340 pixels vertical. And we're just going to leave the link to nothing for now. You could use this to pop up, like if you wanted to enter a thumbnail image and pop up that to the larger image, you could link to the larger image. And the other thing is you want to that you want to set is the alignment. All right, so it's going to be either left align, meaning the text wraps to the right, center, which has center aligns the image with no text wrap, right, which right aligns the image and wraps the text to the left, and none, which basically leaves the image to the left but no text wrapping. So we're going to actually none here, which we don't really want text wrapping on this. Once again, put the full size image and insert into page. Okay, and there it is. All right, you could actually activate the text tab and see what this looks like in HTML, and it inserts an image tag here. For those of you who know HTML, you don't have to know HTML to use WordPress, but it does help. And then update the page. And then if you click on View Page here, you'll be able to actually see that image on the page there. Click through to my portfolio there. Now, if you wanted to add that image again to another page of your site, you would go through the same process. Let's say we want to add the image again here at the bottom. Position your cursor, add media, but this time you're not going to upload the image again because you already have the image in your media library. So you can see it right here. You can click through, or else just click the media library, which is the default tab. So click on the image, and then the same menu appears, and then you can add it back again as, for example, the thumbnail. And in this case, we are going to link to the media file, insert into page. And now you see the thumbnail now appears at the bottom. And if I update the page and then view the page, there's the thumbnail image that I created. 150 by 150 is the default thumbnail size, and as I click through, it'll bring up the full-size image. Now, 2 more things I want to show you that can be quite useful. First of all, if you want to insert an image in a size that is between one of those images, like you want it maybe a little smaller than the large image, but a little larger than the medium image that it's created, what you do is put it in the larger size, but then select the image. Click this little edit image button, and then you can do what's called browser scaling to bring it down by 90%, 80%, 70%, etc. So that's what you would do for that. This is a little buggy in WordPress 3.5, so you probably only want to do that once. And the other thing you could do is you can actually scale and crop the image. And the way this is done is, let's say we were inserting this image for the first time. Just add it, upload it as we did before. And what you can do is hit this button here called Edit Image. And you can crop it by dragging the cursor over the section you want and just hitting this little crop button up here. Okay, and then you can additionally scale it by hitting like this and bringing it down to the dimension that you want. So typically you're going to do one followed by the other. So in this case, let's say we want to bring it down to smaller size, just hit it one dimension and notice that it proportionately scales the other size as well. Okay, and then go ahead and update and insert the image as you would before.